Teachers, a warm good evening to all. Let's start the first meeting in our daffodils with an assembly. Hope that the Almighty God will clear the crisis soon and help us to assemble in the school ground soon. Shall we invite for prayer?
Everything I am, everything I be, I give it to you, Lord, and do it thankfully, thankfully. Every song I sing, every prize I bring, everything I do is a gift to you. Everything I have, all you given me, I give it to you, Lord, and do it thankfully, thankfully. Every song I sing, every prize I bring, everything I do is a gift to you. Everything I am, everything I give it to you, Lord, and do it thankfully, thankfully. Every song I sing, every prize I bring, everything I do is a gift.
Pledge. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with God's seal. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. India well-being and prosperity along lies my happiness.
Hello friends, I'm Srishankar Jaji from 6th F with today's news. First, the headlines. India's cumulative COVID-19 vaccination coverage exceeds 35 crore mark.
Hi friends, I am Jinesh with some quotes of APJ Abdul Kalam. Every teacher once was a student. Every winner one was a loser. Every expert one was a beginner. But all of them have crossed the bridge called learning. Teaching is a very noble profession that shapes the character, caliber of an individual. If the people remember me as a good teacher, that is the biggest honor for me. Every pain gives a lesson, and every lesson changes a person. Thank you. Have a nice day.
I would like to say something about Varkala Muhammad Bashir. Varkala Muhammad Bashir is one of the prominent figures of Malayalam.
Hello friends, I'm Abhayendu AS. Today is July 5th, the death anniversary of Sri Varkala Muhammad Bashir, the Sultan of Baipur or the King of Baipur. He was born in 1908 on January 24th.
Hi friends, I'm Adriana from 68. I'm here to present a book review of a famous Malayalam novel. Do you want to see the book? Here it is. Pathamada Order is a Malayalam novel written by famous Malayalam writer Varkala Muhammad Bashir, formerly known as Sultan of Baipur. This is a humorous novel and the characters of this book are Bashir's family members. The story takes place in his home in Thaluvalaparambu. The goat is the main character of the book. The goat belongs to his sister Pathumma. It eats anything and everything. Once it eats Bashir's slabs, along with the banana leaf, on which the lunch is served. It even eats Bashir's novels and some other books. And once it tries to eat Bashir's blanket. The language of the book is very simple and flows with a natural style. The book published by DC Books and the cost of the book is 108 rupees only. I think this book will make you laugh and think in the same time. Thank you.